Learn Japanese from Demon Slayer, the name of water breathing. So, today we are going to learn the name of water breathing, さんのかた、流流舞い. So, the water breathing technique in Demon Slayer, Tanjiro, the main character, and Giyu, a strong Demon Slayer, they use this technique. And today we are going to learn the Japanese phrase さんのかた、流流舞い. So let's have a look. In episode 9, a demon called Temarioni, which is a demon who is using balls to attack Tanjiro.And Tanjiro used this breathing technique called ryuu舞 and tried to avoid the balls and try to attack back the demon like dancing flow. So let's have a look at this kanji. First, さんのかた、ryuu舞. First, we have a look at this part. This is さんのかた but this kanji is very old and difficult, so normally we use this 3 which means 3 and no is a particle to connecting these kanji. Then 型 means shape and judo or karate, that is Japanese martial art, they also use kata. さんのかた is third form. And then next, the name of the technique, 流流舞. First, 流流. This is the name of technique, so we don't have that particular phrase, but I understand or we understand the kind of meaning because this part 10 like 3 dot, it means water. And ryuu, this kanji means flow. For example, we can say 川の流れ. 川means river. 流れ means flow. But this one is noun. So 川の流れ is like this. Then this is verb 流れます means flow, and this is polite way to say, and casual way is 流れる. This is also verb. And we have another vocabularies using this kanji. That is 上流. 流 means flow, but this 上 means up. So in this picture, 上流 is here. Then we have another vocabulary, 下流. 下 means down or below. So in this picture, 下流 means around here. You may wonder why the pronunciation of this kanji is different. When we read like this, 流れます, we say 長, but when we put two kanji together, we tend to say 流. Because Japanese kanji, Chinese letter, in Japanese, we have two ways of pronunciation. Then, this part, 舞, this means dance. 舞 means dance, and this one is noun. And verb, we have 舞います. It means dance, and this is 舞う, casual way to say 舞います. This is kabuki, Japanese traditional entertainment. This name also include this kanji, means dance, because kabuki actors, they are dancing in the stage. So, let's learn this kanji today. This kanji is from kanji for common use. In Japanese, we have two ways of readings. One is onyomi. This is based on the way of reading in Chinese. And this kanji, we read ryuu or ru. Kunyomi, this is Japanese original reading, and we read naga. So, let's write together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 流を流れる。Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。